In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to buy from multiple suppliers on Pinduoduo shopping app, import from China to whatever country of your choice. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number right here. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy from multiple suppliers on Pinduoduo and import from China. So let's go. So right here, this is my Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on it straight up. Having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, you can check the video on my channel and see how to add an item to cart. After you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to cart. Then on getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. So all the item you had into cart is going to be found right here. Next thing you want to do is to select each of the item that you're going to purchase. So I'm going to select this one right here, and I'm going to select this. I'm going to select this, selecting this, and 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 the very last one right here. So after selecting all the items, so I'm paying the sum of 466 yuan to purchase all the items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then you can also check the preview of all the items right here. So you can see them right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to make sure your Alipay is checked. And then you click on here to proceed to payment. Then click on here to confirm the payment. Enter your payment password. Boom. So just like what you see right here, payment done, successful. Next thing you want to do is to click on done right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I close the pop-up by clicking on here. Then we have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So you can see them right here. So this is how to buy from multiple suppliers, import from China using Pinduoduo shopping app step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to hit on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business tutorial like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.